Right, I am here to talk to you guys about toners and just some things about your skin in general. Mainly because I think toners are the most misconcepted thing in skincare. People think that they're not needed, or they use them in the wrong way and think that they're meant to do another thing in their skincare that they're not actually meant to do. I usually would apply my toner with my hands just because I think cotton pads are a waste. They soak up most of the product and you would go through your toner way quicker than you would if you just put a few drops in your hand like this, rub it in your hands and literally just press it into your skin like this. This is not actually what I'm going to talk about. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to put it on a cotton pad like I see a lot of people do. Now, I'm not saying this is the wrong way to apply your toner because you can apply your toner however way you want. What I will personally see a lot of people doing now, this actually does feel really nice. I actually do like applying my toner like this, but it is just a waste. But I'll see a lot of people turning their pad round like this, right? And it will literally have so much dirt. It'll be so discolored on this and they'll be like, look, I'm toning my skin, this is what it's meant to do. That's not what your toner's meant to do. That doesn't show that your toner's working. Maybe back in the day, that's what toners were designed for. But now that's not the reason why you should be putting a toner into your skincare routine. That means more that your cleansing step is not working because there's still makeup left on your skin. That doesn't mean that your toner's doing what it's supposed to do, because that's not why you should be putting a toner into your skincare routine. We're going to leave getting the excess makeup and dirt to your cleansing step because that's what that's for. Back in the day, that's what toners were designed for. But now that's not why you should be putting a toner into your skincare routine. That's very old school. We used to use toners that were full of alcohol. They stripped your skin. They were very drying. I think this is why people think toners are not good, but that was actually just from using the wrong toner. Your toner should be adding something to your routine, so it should be hydrating your skin, nourishing your skin, replenishing your skin. Or if you want to use an exfoliating toner, obviously, then that's going to help with your fine lines and wrinkles, the texture in your skin, the glow of your skin, any scarring you've got, pigmentation, that kind of thing. But a little bit of science that is really important. Your skin is actually naturally acidic. I'm going to try to fit this all in this video. And after you cleanse your skin, it makes your skin more alkaline. Now, you can't have your skin be more alkaline because that's not what's naturally meant to be. So that's why I always use a pH balancing toner, because it's always going to balance back out my pH levels. Because if your skin was always naturally alkaline after cleansing it and you weren't toning it with a pH balancing toner to balance that out again, you would find your skin to be very dry, flaky, red, not producing enough oil, or even overproducing oil, which can obviously give you acne. So that's why your skin pH is so important. So instead of not using a toner in your routine because you're told that don't use a toner, toners are drying. No, that's just old school toners that had alcohol in them. Just look for a better toner that doesn't have alcohol in it and one that's more hydrating to your skin, soothing to your skin, balancing your pH out. Or if you want to use an exfoliating one, because I actually use two in my routine, I alternate between them both, then maybe get two and use different ones for when you need them. But the pH one is more of my everyday one, and then I just use the exfoliating one as and when. There's definitely more stuff I could say on this, they prep and prime your skin for your serums and stuff. I definitely couldn't put on other products without doing a toner first. It would feel so weird. I hope this has helped in some way.